Hey, my name's Nathan. I'm one of the restoration technicians here at Restore It. I've been helping customers at homes and businesses with mold, water, fire, and other unexpected damage for several years now. I know situations like this are stressful. My goal is to make things as simple as possible when everything else seems a little bit out of control. When I arrive, I'm there to take a look at what's going on, see what needs attention right away, and help you understand what the next steps look like. The goal is to get things moving in the right direction as quickly and safely as possible. We specialize in restoration and cleaning services. So whether it's damage cleanup, more extensive restoration, or getting an area cleaned and put back whole, we take care of it. For me, this work is personal. I'm local, so I've seen how these situations affect families and businesses and how important it is to have people show up and do things the right way. That's what I focus on every time I get a call.